Building images on your own machine for personal use can be extremely valuable, but the real power in Docker images is the ability to easily publish, share, and distribute your images. Just as we pull images from Docker Hub or other Docker registries, we can also push the images that we build locally. In this lesson, we'll build a simple Docker image and publish it to Docker Hub for public consumption. Play along at home on this lesson. You'll need a Docker Hub account. First, let's create an image. Here's a simple Python application using the microweb framework Flask. Just like our Ruby application, a single endpoint on this service responds with the phrase, "Hello Docker Hub." We also have a Docker file accompanying our web application. This Docker file starts with Alpine Linux and adds Python and pip. We then install the Flask framework using pip, copy our Python code into the image, expose port 5000, and set the entry point. Our entry point will automatically run our application in the container. Let's build and publish our image. We've now built our Docker image. We didn't explicitly tag our image though. We'll need to tag the image before we can push it to Docker Hub. We can tag the image using the docker tag command. Tag takes the image name or ID as the argument, followed by the name and an optional tag or version. We'll call our image rickfast/hello Docker Hub. To push an image to Docker Hub, you'll want to prefix it with your username. We'll call our image version 1.0, and we'll use that as the tag. Tags follow the image name after a colon. We can also tag our image with the latest tag, so that users don't need to specify a version explicitly. We can verify that we tagged our image using the command docker images. We see both of our tags at the top of the list of images, so our image is now ready to deploy. Before we can push anything to Docker Hub, we need an account and we need to log in. We can log in using the command docker login. Docker login will prompt you for a username, sometimes a password if you don't specify them as flags. Once logged in, Docker will store the credentials locally in a JSON file in a hidden directory in your home directory. Now we're logged in, so we can push our image. We can push our image with the docker push command. Docker push takes an image name as an argument, and we don't need to specify a tag explicitly, as Docker will push both of our tags automatically. This means that our image will be pushed with both tags 1.0 and latest. Now we can sign into Docker Hub and check out our image. Here's our image. It's now available for the public to pull and use. We can click on the tags link to verify that both of the tags we pushed are there. Both 1.0 and latest are available, and we can see that they were just updated a few seconds ago when we pushed. Pushing images to Docker Hub or other Docker registries is great for sharing useful images with the public, but it's also a good way to make Dockerized applications available for deployment processes and continuous delivery pipelines.